Hello guys, this is the lecture number 1C on height and distance. Okay, so you know from the previous lecture 1A, 1B, we are discussing what? Some trigonometric problems with respect to angle of elevation. Today, one more problem on angle of elevation I will discuss along with angle of depressions. Okay, so this video lecture will be very important for you. So attend it till the end because I'm going to ask one question to you, and if you give the correct answer to the comment, then this will check your what I can say sincerity towards the lecture. So let's start. Okay. So first question is that the angle of elevation of sun when the length means you need to find out the the question is find out the angle of elevation of sun when the length of the shadow of a tree is root 3 times the height of the tree. So we here the question is asking the angle of elevation. Now you need to find the angle of elevation. In the previous problems, if you recall that we have already been given the angle of elevation, then we need to find the suppose length of the tree or length of the suppose that particular object. Okay. So here the case is different. So first, as always, I am going to picturize the problem, the angle of elevation of the sun. So first say this is the tree. What is this? This is our tree. And when the sun's rays comes, then its shadow will be what? This one. BC will be the shadow of the tree. Now this is the angle of elevation here, which we need to find it out. So theta is what? So you know what actually the question is giving us. The shadow is 3 times the height of the tree. So shadow is TB, and that is root 3 times of what? AB. So CB by AB, if I take AB this side, so what I will have? Root 3. Basically, if you consider this right angle triangle, what is CB? CB is our base. What is AB? Is our perpendicular. So base given, perpendicular given. In that case, guys, always remember one formula will come, that is either tan theta or cot theta. But as you have seen that here base CB by AB. So which one will come? 1 by tan theta, that is cot theta. So this is our cot theta. Now cot theta is equal to root t. We have got it. And what is the value of that degree? The cot of which is root t. Can you tell me? Yeah, that is cot of 30 degree. And this thing I have already given in the description box of lecture 1A. Go through it. If you have not already gone through the different angles value, then you will find it. So what I have got, cot theta is equal to cot 30, that is theta is 30 degrees. So the required angle of elevation that we need to find out is found as theta is equal to 30 degrees. So guys, this is clear to you. So with this, I think we have discussed enough about angle of elevation. So now I am coming to the different one, that is angle of depression. This is also important. Now, how we define it? Say a man from a point O looks down. Now, here in this case, looks down. Angle of elevation looks above. Okay. So in this case, in depression, looks down to at an object P. This P is the object that is below the level of his eye. Obviously, if he is looking below, so that will be below the level of eye. Then the angle, which is the line of sight, this is the line of sight of no doubt. This is the line of sight makes with the horizontal. Obviously, this AO is the horizontal line here, isn't it? Through O is called the angle of depression. So in simple word, what actually the angle of depression is our angle, that angle by which actually that object Okay, a man from an means above level, okay, above level looking down towards an object, and his line of sight forming that particular angle of depression with that horizontal line. Clear? So this is the angle of depression. Say theta. Is this concept clear to you? So let's take an example, practical example. Now I am considering two persons, say. One is say Maya and another is suppose Alice. Got it? Now these two angles I am considering as, say, this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay, now suppose this angle I am considering is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. You guys take a snapshot of this because I am going to ask one question on it. So what will be the angle of elevation, okay, of Maya with respect to Alice? Got my question? What will be the angle of elevation of Maya with respect to Alice? Can you tell me? Yeah, because this particular, I'm making it bold, she is Alice and she is Maya. Now as Maya is here, Maya is looking what? Above her eye level. So this is the line of sight, isn't it? This is the line of sight. So this is Alice. So this is the horizontal line in this case. Horizontal line. So 30 degrees is the angle of elevation of Maya with respect to what? Alice. Any doubt of it? I hope no, because I have discussed enough problem with respect to angle of elevation. 30 degree because Maya's line of sight forming this angle with the horizontal line. Okay, and Alice is above the eyesight level of Maya. Now the question is to you is that what is the angle of depression of Alice with respect to Maya? Well, I am writing the question. What is the angle of depression of Alice with respect to Maya? This is the question for you guys for today's class, and you guys consider this lecture as very important. Okay, so do comment the answer in the comment box. I'll go through it. Okay, so I think this is enough for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed. Then we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.